Google is gearing up to unveil its next-generation smartphones, and the Pixel 10 series is already making waves ahead of its official launch. According to newly surfaced leaks, the tech giant is planning a two-phase rollout for its flagship lineup, breaking away from earlier expectations of a unified launch. Unlocked Phase 1, Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro and Pixel 10 Pro XL. The first wave of devices includes the Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, and the larger Pixel 10 Pro XL. These models will be officially announced on August 20th, with pre-orders opening the same day. Consumers eager to get their hands on the new Pixels won't have to wait long. Open sales begin on August 28th, just 8 days after the reveal. This trio is expected to bring significant upgrades in performance, camera capabilities, and AI integration, continuing Google's push to compete with flagship offerings from Apple and Samsung. File Folder Phase 2, Pixel 10 Pro Fold, Pixel Watch 4 and Pixel Buds 2a. The standout foldable model, Pixel 10 Pro Fold, will not be part of the initial batch. Instead, it's now rumored to launch on October 9th, alongside the Pixel Watch 4 and Pixel Buds 2a. This delay echoes Google's previous strategy with the Pixel 9 series, where foldables and accessories were introduced weeks after the main smartphones. Interestingly, pre-orders for the Pixel 10 Pro Fold may still begin on August 20th, but shipping is expected to be delayed by several weeks. This suggests Google is confident in the product's appeal, even if final production or testing is still underway. Hammer and wrench: why the delay in foldable launch? While Google hasn't officially commented on the staggered release, industry insiders speculate that the delay could be due to final quality assurance testing, supply chain constraints, complexities in foldable hardware production. Foldable devices often require more rigorous testing due to their intricate hinge mechanisms and flexible displays. Google may be taking extra time to ensure the Pixel 10 Pro Fold meets durability and performance standards before hitting shelves. Magnifying glass tilted left: what this means for consumers. For fans of Google's hardware ecosystem, the leaks offer a clearer picture of what to expect. If you're looking for a traditional smartphone experience, the Pixel 10 Pro and Pro XL will be available by the end of August. If you're holding out for the foldable experience, you'll need to wait until October, but pre-ordering early might still secure your spot.